Okay, so a lot of people have been facing challenges on how to verify their phone numbers on their YouTube. You see, if you're not able to verify your phone number on YouTube after creating your account, there are certain options or certain features that you can't be granted access to, and that's why it's very important to know how to verify your phone number. And so now, as you can see clearly on your studio, you see you have your community guidelines follow actively intact. You don't go against any of them. So the next thing is to turn on the verification over there. So just click on turn on, and then this is what's going to pop up directly onto your screen. That's turn on two-step verification. And so if everything is intact, you click on continue. For the sake of time, that's I wouldn't be reading what we have on the screen, but you can take time, read that, and understand it very, very well. Okay. So after understanding, you click on that, and then we'll take it from there. We have been redirected to our Google to continue with the two-step verification. All right, so now we click on continue, but there's a notice here that your device will ask for your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. So be prepared for that. If you're not conversant with that, you try another way. But if you're conversant with that, you are ready, you click on continue. So let's click on continue. So now we are moving on. Now we are going to use our screen lock. So my screen lock is this. All right, so now you click on the forward button here. Great. And it's going to verify straight away within few seconds time, depending on your network. Great. So now, two-step verification. Add a second step to your account. To turn on two-step verification, you first need to add a second step to your Google account, like a phone number. All right. Good. So now the next thing is we are going to add a phone number over here. So you can also do same. So what we do is we click on that add phone number, and then it will open a page for you to add a phone number. I've already selected my phone, so I just paste it. Then you select the country over here. It depends on where you are. Currently in Ghana, the phone number is a Ghana number, so I select Ghana. Good. And so the statement here is that the phone number can be used as a second step to help you sign back in if you lose access, and to receive alerts if there is unusual activity. So you click on next, and then you wait patiently. They have sent a code. Great. So you see the code has actually popped up over here. That is it. So we copy verification code straight away. It has been copied to clipboard, and then you press on that to paste. Good. So we are now setting the two-step verification. Now verify. Okay. So now let's wait patiently. Good. So now you are now protected with two-step verification. Google prompt, one device, phone number. The phone number is showing over there. So we are done. So let's click on done. Good. So now we have been able to actually set our two-step verification. If you want to turn it off, you see the option over here to turn it off. Okay, so now it is set on. So now let's check back at our YouTube studio and see what is happening over there. Great, that's successful. And so as you can see, let me zoom for you to see it very clearly. You see, two-step verification is ticked now green, and so you have successfully turned on your two-step verification. This process isn't that difficult, but you see, many a times I do receive some calls, some messages and all that, people complaining that they find it very, very difficult to actually set up their two-step verification. All right, so that's it. Kindly follow this simple step, and I'm sure you're actually going to find yourself successfully done. All right, to be able to have access to a lot of features, you need to turn on the two-step verification, and that is also going to help you protect your account for you. That's your channel for you, and so do not joke with that. All right, so that is it, and that is where I bring today's tutorials to an end. I'm sure you've been enjoying the videos over here on my YouTube channel. Actually, this for your YouTube growth specifically. And so if you'd want to be receiving and watching inspiring tutorials like this to help you grow your YouTube channel, don't hesitate to actually click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much. Till we meet next time. All that I'm saying is that God bless you and do have a wonderful day.